you got engaged. That is so awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So today we're going to do an LED light treatment on you. It's going to help boost collagen, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, lifting and firming, so we can get you all beautiful for your special day.
Oh, how exciting.
Yeah. All right, let's start. Okay, so today we will be using our Tanda Pearl. It is our red LED light, and this is going to help boost collagen and give you radiant skin. All right? Okay. So I'm going to be using our Blue Copper Prime from Osmotics. And then we'll just apply the Blue Copper Prime right onto the Tanda. It's just going to help smooth out and give radiance to the skin.
Now, what does the LED light do?
The LED light is going to help boost collagen and help give radiance and youthful skin. So it helps with the glow. All right, there we go. Today we'll be using the opal, which is by Clarisonic. So I am putting the eye cream directly onto the opal. And what the opal is going to do, it's going to cut the time in half. So it's going to penetrate the product deeper into the skin rather than just using your fingertips.
Okay.
And you just press a little on button right here, and it's going to vibrate. Okay. And what you'll do is just take it directly to your eye.
Oh, that feels so good.
And I'm using the Blue Copper eye from Osmotics, which is going to help lift and firm and tighten the eye area. How does that feel?
Fantastic.
It's real smooth, it's not harsh to the skin.
No.
And there you go, it's all done.
Oh, it feels so good. So rejuvenating.
It is, isn't it?
It is. Thanks, Stephanie.
You're welcome, Margaret. Just stop by today at the Edge Shop to receive your LED light treatment and Clarisonic Opal 30-second eye treatment. Thanks. Bye.